Navigating Istanbul Airport can be a daunting task for travelers, especially when it comes to transferring between flights. With its massive size and numerous terminals, finding your way around can be challenging. Luckily, Istanbul Airport offers a variety of transfer services to make your journey smoother. One of the most convenient options for transferring between flights at Istanbul Airport is the shuttle service. These shuttles run regularly between terminals, making it easy for passengers to quickly get from one gate to another. Additionally, there are also airport staff members available to assist with directions and information. For those looking for a more luxurious transfer experience, Istanbul Airport offers private car services. These services provide a comfortable and efficient way to transfer between flights, with knowledgeable drivers who can navigate the airport with ease. Overall, navigating Istanbul Airport doesn't have to be stressful. With the various transfer services available, passengers can easily move between flights and enjoy a seamless travel experience.